Okay guys, I'm done porting. See if I can get this up here. So I'll have to shoot that in there in a second. I'm going to put the first of the C-clips back in. You have to find the arrow, set it up here. You want to do this side because you can't get at it as easily. So I'm going to stick this first one in here. I always start out with it like down in there as best I can get it, the end of it. And then see, I stick my little tool down in here. You have to hold it down really tight, and then you just flip that over. It's almost in. You want to always try and keep your hand in front of it because it will try and spring out of there, and if it does, these are really hard to find outdoors. I'll just say that. The only reason I've ever found any of them that have came out is probably the good Lord. So there's that. Let me get that. A couple other little things that help to put the cylinder on. Okay. Now we can cut this open. Your wrist pin and the other clip are always in this little bag. From the factory, it'll have both rings in place, so I have to take the rings out to port them. And I need to go get the oil bottle. Because you definitely want to oil everything as you're putting it together. Put some down in here. Rotate that bearing around. Another little drip. Rotate that bearing around. Anytime you see a little dry spot, just give it a squirt. Okay, and then these little holes could get a little bit dripped in there just so it'll slide in easier. There we go, pumped. Alright. Check for my arrow again. Okay, we're going to line it up from over here and slide it through. Okay. Once you know it's all the way pushed down in there, then you got to do the other clip. The other clip's really hard because you have to do it back in the back there. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys that.